What's up, y'all? So I'm out here at an appointment. Let me show y'all this beautiful view. Gorgeous. Fall. So yeah, it is the little things that matter in life. Stuff like that. Look at that. I don't see any geese out right now, so might be too cold for them. But yeah, y'all, embrace the little things in life. I love y'all to the moon and back. Be kind to yourself so that you can be kind to others. And remember, people don't hate them. Hate people don't. Okay, my bad. People don't hate you. They hate themselves. They just projecting.